The benefits of practicing programming every day are like the rewards you get from taking care of growing garden. When you code consistently, it helps you learn and become more creative. It's like building a habit of discipline, which makes it easier to face challenges with confidence. Daily coding turns it into a personal journey where every line of code you write helps you get better. It also introduces you to new ideas, programming languages, and tools, making you more knowledgeable. Plus, it improves your problem solving skills as coding every day helps you tackle complex problems step by step. With time, all your efforts pay off with better projects, smarter solutions, and the joy of always getting better. Just like a gardener who sees the result of their hard work, a daily coder enjoys building their skills and their love for the ever changing world of technology.